All right, we have some breaking news coming in. India's top court has ordered all states and union territories, National Highway Authority and civic bodies to remove stray cattle from national highways. State highways and roads and top court direct states and union territories to form highway patrol team to catch stray cattle from roads and put them in shelter homes where they will be taken care of. Apex Court has further ordered removal of all stray dogs from the premises of educational institutions, hospitals, bus and railway stations and directs that they won't be released back in the same area after sterilization. And for more on this, we're joined by our principal correspondent Disha Shah on the phone line. Disha, what can you tell us?
Well, absolutely. Looking at the alarming cases of dog bites, not only specifically in the Delhi NCR region, but all over the country. Today, the Supreme Court passed a very major order categorically saying that the court has ordered that all the stray dogs must be picked from these areas like the hospital, the educational institutions, public sports complexes, bus stand and depots, as well as railway stations. And they should not be released to the same spot. All of the stray dogs from all across the country should be picked up from the public places and should be taken to the shelter homes where they will be taken care of. And all this has to be done only after proper sterilization, after vaccination and etc. Remember, this is a very big order that has come to light because people were demanding this for a very long time, looking at the alarming case of dog bite cases across the country. In fact, the court has also directed that the local bodies must carry out periodic inspections to ensure that no stray dog habitat exists in such premises, because looking at the large number of footfalls specifically in these public places, we have seen the videos as well of how a pack of stray dogs attacking little children, senior citizens, and also killing a lot of them and injuring severely others. So after this, a lot of petitions were doing round the clock. We've seen this case that came to the Supreme Court in the past 1 year or so, and after repeated hearings, after on and off, here it's a big order, and this is not limited to Delhi NCR alone. All these directions, all the states have to follow as per the Supreme Court orders.
Right, Disha, thank you so much for getting us all those details. That was our principal correspondent Disha Shah joining us on the phone line.